The Hammer A331 planer thicknesser is one of the most popular machines in the Felder Group range, and with its ease of use, robust build quality and spectacular results, it's easy to see why. The A331 features a 310mm planing width, with solid cast iron planing tables for absolute precision. The hand lever here allows quick and easy depth of cut adjustment of up to 4mm. And the angle adjustable planer fence can be fixed at any position between 90 and 45 degrees. At the centre of the A331 is the self-setting cutter block with 3 quick-change double-sided knife blades. For even better results, the A331 can also be fitted with the award-winning Silent Power Spiral Cutter Block, which is exclusive to planer thicknessers from the Felder Group, and feature a spiral array of 4-sided tungsten carbide knives, which provide a continuous pulling cut for tear-free results on all types of wood. But don't just take our word for it, listen to what our customers have to say.
The cut is amazing. Obviously I sand things, but you don't really have to with a silent power block. You don't get the waves or the juddering that sometimes you get with planer thicknessers.
The planer thicknesser is absolutely amazing. It takes the wood to a stage where I don't have to do a lot of sanding, and it's built to last.
Each planer knife can be turned when required to access a fresh cutting edge, extending the overall blade life by up to 20 times versus the standard planer blades. On top of this, the Silent Power Spiral Cutter Block reduces noise emissions by more than half when planing, making it perfect for users in residential areas.
I have neighbours next door, and because it's so quiet, I don't have any complaints. If I don't get complaints, no one's coming knocking at my door. I can still continue to work and still make money with the machines.
The Hammer A331 is ideal for large and small workshops alike, with the dual lifting planer tables with 0-degree ending position saving valuable working space around the machine. The planer table is securely held upright by a strong safety stop, which is easily released when you want to reset the table to planer mode. Converting the A331 from planer to thicknesser takes seconds, thanks to the ergonomic design, with the aerodynamically optimized hood providing the best chip extraction for a clean working surface. The thicknesser has a maximum height of 225mm for perfect processing of larger workpieces. An even more precise 1/10 of a millimeter accurate adjustment of the thicknessing height is possible with the optional hand wheel with integrated digital dial indicator. The Hammer A331 also features the option of a horizontal mortiser, which is mounted on the planer side. Further customization of the A331 is possible with a range of table extensions of different lengths, which can be fitted to both ends of the planer table, allowing you to extend the table length by up to 1600mm. As with all Hammer machines, the option of a rolling carriage is available to offer mobility and free up additional space. The Hammer A331 planer thicknesser has fast become a mainstay of workshops across the world, from the burgeoning hobbyist to thriving businesses. To find out more about the Hammer A331 and to see how a range of machines from the Felder Group can benefit your workshop, visit felder-group.co.uk.